संजय बोला एवढे पैसे आणि एवढासा कॅमेरा.
Guys, lockdown के बाद this is my first ride. I mean lockdown 1.0 के बाद this is my first ride. Breakfast ride. So getting ready to meet my friends from Benelli Owners Club at Narhe near the Ambegaon bridge. They're all waiting there. So let's move on. Beautiful mountains, such beautiful roads. This is the Pashan area. That was stinky. I'm not sure if you can see through this glass because the height of the camera, the Insta360 Go, is quite low on my helmet shield right now. And I'm not sure if it is recording wind noise along too. My noise. So, बाद में ही पता चलेगा. मैं जब निकाल लूँगा, एडिटिंग करूँगा तब पता चलेगा. सनराइज ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. It's 6:13. I have to reach by 6:30. Having my tea over here, first time after the lockdown on the highway. This is usually where we stop, Shiv Shakti Snack Center, and there's Gold Gym behind there. So just two of us have come. This is Chetan over here and myself, waiting for all others. I guess most of them are late. There are around 12 bikes coming. Let's see how many turn up. So almost everyone is here, and here's the lineup. So it's not just Benelli, we have all other bikes also. That's Mr. Kai. That bike was there in the let's move ahead again. This is the actual tone. Let's keep some distance. I see my friends are waiting ahead there. I guess no one is being stopped over here for bikes at least. Only cars are being checked up front before. The gang is waiting here. Guys, let's move! Halt here at the Shell petrol pump. So as you guys saw, we passed the toll without any hurdles, without any checks. Quick fuel stop here for a few of the guys, and then we move to Bhairavnath Misal, which is our destination for today. Oops. Another checkpost, and we had heard that at this point they are sending the bikes back for sure, but I don't see them being stopped. So the cars are being stopped, bikes are not being stopped, and they are my friends here, and we've almost reached Khambatki Ghats up there.
संजय बोलला एवढे पैसे आणि एवढासा कॅमेरा.
पण सगळं रेकॉर्ड करतो. They're going खंबाटकी. ए आपण खंबाटकी जाणार आहे का? हा मलाही जायचंय. आधी मिसल खाऊन घेऊ. गोल्डन फोर्क्स. हा हा ए निखिलचा मित्र.
जय व्लॉग्स ना
DNA
व्लॉग्स जिंदाबाद असं काहीतरी टाकूया आपण.
अभ्या
नाही मी मिसळ खाणार. नाही मी ते मिसळ खायला आलो.
अरे माझंच व्हिडिओ येत नाही म्हणून मी जरा इकडे काढतोय, म्हणजे कळलं पाहिजे मी पण होतो आहे.
Dream machine. brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Cody's brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Ride or die, 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 ride or die. Cody's brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta ride or die.
Checkpost while entering Pune. See opposite side, lot of cars have been stopped. If you don't have proper permissions, you are asked to take a U-turn from here. You're not allowed to go ahead. So many cars waiting. Such a beautiful climate. Probably I'll end my video here. We've come back to the Khed Shivapur toll naka, and from here we're going to disperse and go home. Again, no checking here while entry inside. The cops are standing there. Probably they're not going to stop us. They're not stopping any bikers, and we'll straight head home. So thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune, and do subscribe if you're watching this from my channel for the first time, and hit the bell icon for all updates from me. See ya until next time.
Cody's brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Cody's brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Ride or die, 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 ride or die. Cody's brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta ride or die.